guys, it's me on Carly's World, and today on Carly's World, I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime with shaving cream. I'm using this shaving cream I'm very bad at speaking, particularly for this slime because if you don't know, this says shaving foam instead of shaving cream. So I thought it would just make the slime more fluffy and more playful, I guess. And so I actually like telling stories, so I want to tell you guys a story. And I would say that it would be called, for me, The Day I Went to Michael's and Got Something. So it was recently my birthday, January 24th, 2019, and I really wanted to get a big jug of glue. So for my birthday, I got a Michael's gift card it had like $30 on it, and I wanted to buy a big jug of glue, as I said before. So I went to Michael's on a Sunday afternoon, and I got this big this big gallon of Elmer's glue. It is washable, and it is a school glue, and it also says this all in Spanish. Yeah. So, that's the end of the story, and since this is my first YouTube video, I want you guys to like and subscribe down below. I'm going to give you a countdown. If you complete this assignment in the matter of 5 seconds, you are amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, so you are amazing if you clicked down below and subscribed and liked, swam in the pool. Guys, yeah. So I'm going to start pouring my glue into my bowl. You may want to do this with a grown-up because this glue is very heavy. But if you don't buy the gallon, then it won't be as heavy because it will just be one of those little boxes, I guess, of glue. But anyway, I just finished pouring in my glue in my bowl, and I'm going to shake my shaving cream and open it. And then I'm just going to pour an amount that I think is just right. I think that's good. Since I poured it into a literal amount of glue, I think I should use a literal amount of shaving cream. You may want to keep a napkin so that you could clean up. Then I'm just going to add I'm going to stir this so that it could all be like. Make sure that the glue and the shaving cream is fully mixed in before you add your food coloring. So I'm just going to put in my purple food coloring and just add a couple drops if you are adding food coloring. This is an option. It is not, you don't have to do it. And now I'm just going to mix my food coloring in with my shaving cream and glue. Now it's time for the activator. I'm using my borax solution with water, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in at a time so that you don't overactivate it. What overactivating slime means is that it won't be stretchy, but it won't be sticky. So if you don't want your slime to be sticky, add the right amount of your solution. So I'm just going to keep on pouring this in until I think that it's good. Once it stops sticking to the sides of your bowl or whatever you're mixing in, you can start going in with your hands. This will not be right to start going in with your hands. I'd suggest once the slime starts sticking off the bowl, then you should stop adding activator and start playing with it and kneading it with your hands. You should add more activator as you go if it starts to get sticky on your hands. And if it does start to get sticky with your hands, and even before you start kneading it, you should probably leave one hand not dirty so that you could pour in the activator, because it probably will get sticky. So I'm just going to keep on adding my activator until it stops sticking off the bowl. If it starts sticking to your stir stick or whatever you're stirring to, that's a good sign, but still don't pick it up with your hands because it still can get sticky. I'm just going to roll up my sleeves, and I think, should have probably done that first. It started to get clumpy. It's not the best time to start going out with my hands, but I'm just going to touch it a little bit. I think it needs a little bit more activator. Remember, don't add too much activator because it will not stretch. And if you want your slime to be sticky, especially use this tip for any slime, but especially for this particular type of slime, which is fluffy slime. Because shaving cream can, in the slime, it can get with the chemicals. So this is my slime this is the first product of the kneading slime. If it starts to get like this, that's a good sign because it's not so sticky. If it isn't very stretchy, either you could add cornstarch or one of your solutions that you have here. I'm going to add some more shaving cream. I'm actually going to put this back in the bowl. Oops, because I do not want my fork to get dirty, so I'm going to put it back in the bowl, and then I'm going to add a very little bit amount of shaving cream. Like that much if you need to add more shaving cream, because it will get kind of messy. So this is actually really fluffy. It's also really jiggly. I think it just happens to be with the shaving cream I used that it got so jiggly. Comment down below if you've ever made fluffy slime with shaving cream and it was fluffy but like jiggly. Because I think this is really good slime. It's just a little bit non-stretchy, but it is still stretchy. And I'm just going to continue adding a little bit more shaving cream. This is my finished product of my slime. It is kind of stretchy. I wouldn't say it's the stretchiest, but I wouldn't say it's that bad. It's kind of stretchy. I mean, it's not the best, but like it kind of stretches. So that is it for this video. Comment down below if you like the color of my slime and if you would recommend this recipe at home. Also comment down below if this recipe did work for you and your slime got stretchy. If your slime isn't stretchy, leave it out, not for so long, but maybe just leave it down on a flat surface like this. just so that it could get flattened out. Because as you can see, when slime gets flattened out, it gets really stretchy. So maybe that would work for this slime. Comment down below if you think that it would work for this slime. If you were feeling this right now, I think it would feel like cloud slime. Not the professional cloud slime, but cloud slime. So bye guys, that's it for this video.